This is the barcode for my IKE foam. Take a look at the barcode. So the problem with this IKE foam is because whenever I start, say start for I hold it for 3 seconds, right? See, it's a solid green. I press once again, one. See, it doesn't blow up pressure. See, this is the original head from the unit, and if you can see, it is all the way down, Take a look, all the way down, right? But I'll stop again. See, it stopped, and then I try to repress again. See, there's no pumping air pressure. I'm gonna change it to the different head with this unit with my other IK. Let us try. Take a second. And then remove. Now I remove. Let me turn up again. Now I use the other one with the other head. I'm trying to turn on. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Start on, right? Start on. Press one button. See, I did press. Okay, I'm gonna stop again. Hold for 3 seconds. Turn up. Turn up, right? I will turn on again. See, turn on. Press 1. See, it does not pumping air. It does not pumping air with this barcode. Okay, you see the barcode. So that's the problem. I'll try again. See, check. You see it's all the way down, right? All the way down. It's just blinking green. See, I press, nothing. Okay, last. Turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah, turn it up. I'm gonna turn on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then press 1 again. Press 1. See, and take a look all the way down.